We will discuss the topic behavior. How can we define behavior? Behavior is the response of an organism to a stimulus. Or you can define behavior what an animal does and how it does it. Or you can also define behavior as the aggregate of responses to stimuli under certain conditions. For example, the sitting of an animal is a behavior. How an animal walk, that is a behavior. How it eat, how it mate with its partner, and how it rears its young one. That is how it look after their young ones, their children. Ethology, this is the study of behavior, or you can say this is the branch of biology which deals with the study of animal behavior. Now, what is the nature of behavior? There are two natures of behavior, one behavior and stimuli. The ability of an organism to respond against a particular stimulus changes from simple action of growth of plant stem towards or in response to a source of light to the complex mating behavior of the organism. For example, it is very simple that the stem moves in response to the light or sunlight, while the complex behavior is mating or rearing of the young one. This is very complex. And the second one is the effects of genetics on behavior, or the effect of genes on behavior, or the effect of genome on behavior. So genes play a key or very important role in the development and modification or changes of behaviors. Charles Darwin says in his natural selection theory that natural selection play an important role in the biological evolution. Biological evolution means in the speciation of new organism, or in the origin of new species, or in the modification of one form of life into another form of life. But Francis Galton says that natural selection does not only play a role in the biological evolution, but it also play a role in the modification of behaviors and in the modification or appearance of physical properties or physical characteristics of an organism. Examples of such behavior or the nature of behavior with the genetics is the intelligentsia or the intelligence. So the member or the individual of the same species are different in their intelligence level due to difference or variations in their genes. Similarly, shyness are different in the same offspring of the parents or in the same brothers and sisters. That is, shyness means social phobia, that's fear of the social gathering, the one who hide himself from the social interactions and love to live alone. Next example is impulsiveness. This is the sudden desire to do something. For example, sudden laughing of an organism where there is no one. This is another type of behavior. And curiosity. This is the checking of the lock of a door. When you lock the door, the lock of your door, and you go a few steps away, and then you turn in order to check it again whether it is locked or unlocked. This is known as curiosity. And moodiness, this is the change in the feelings, and the change in the feeling is due to internal stimuli. Sometimes the individual is very happy and all of a sudden the individual become very sad.